Storefront and office properties benefit from commercial window replacement Austin, Texas that improves curb appeal, safety, and efficiency in busy retail and business corridors. From office window replacement downtown Austin, Texas to storefront window replacement Austin, Texas near 6th Street, Rainey Street, the Warehouse District, and West Downtown Austin, Texas, updated glass and frames help businesses reduce drafts, improve visibility, and create a polished look for customers and employees. Older homes often need specialized Austin historic home window replacement that respects original architecture while delivering modern performance. In neighborhoods like Hyde Park, Clarksville, Travis Heights, Tarrytown, and Bouldin Creek, old window replacement Austin and window frame replacement Austin, Texas can preserve character while solving issues with rotting wood, rattling sashes, air leaks, and difficult operation common in aging properties. Energy savings remain one of the biggest reasons homeowners choose energy-efficient window installation Austin for year-round comfort. High-efficiency windows Austin, Texas, insulated window replacement Austin, Texas, and double-pane window replacement Austin help block heat gain during hot Austin summers, support lower utility bills, and make interior spaces more comfortable in houses, condos, and mixed-use properties throughout Austin, Texas. Downtown residents frequently seek window replacement downtown Austin, Texas for condos, lofts, and urban homes exposed to traffic, sun, and noise. Downtown Austin condo window replacement is especially valuable in 78,701 Austin, Texas and around Lady Bird Lake, Austin, Texas, where modern replacement windows Austin can improve sound control, energy performance, and skyline views while upgrading the appearance of living spaces. Homeowners wanting flexible design options often choose custom replacement windows Austin, Texas to match architecture, room layout, and performance goals. Whether the project involves new windows for homes Austin in Zilker, Barton Hills, South Congress, or East Austin, Texas, custom sizing, frame colors, grille patterns, and glass packages help create a personalized result for both traditional and contemporary homes. When glass is cracked, fogged, or shattered, broken window replacement Austin and window glass replacement Austin, Texas provide a fast way to restore safety and function. Homes and businesses in Muller, the University of Texas area Austin, and 78,702 Austin, Texas often need quick service after storms, accidents, or seal failure, making local response from a local window replacement company Austin especially important. Vinyl options remain popular because vinyl window replacement Austin, Texas offers durability, value, and low maintenance for busy property owners. Affordable window replacement Austin using vinyl frames is common in house window replacement Austin projects across 78,703 Austin, Texas, 78704 Austin, Texas, and 78,705 Austin, Texas, where residents want attractive windows that resist warping, fading, and moisture issues. Neighborhood-specific service matters because every part of the city has different property styles and performance needs. Window replacement South Congress Austin, Texas may focus on style and street-facing curb appeal, while window replacement East Austin, Texas often balances renovation with modern efficiency, and window replacement West Downtown Austin, Texas may prioritize noise reduction, sun control, and upscale finishes for urban properties. Window retrofit services Austin, Texas are ideal for property owners who want improved efficiency without a full structural overhaul. Retrofit solutions can work well for residential window replacement Austin, Texas in established areas like Barton Hills, Hyde Park, and Tarrytown, where preserving existing openings while upgrading to insulated, high-efficiency windows Austin, Texas helps minimize disruption and maintain the home's exterior character. Weather resistance is a major concern in Central Texas, which is why storm window replacement Austin, Texas remains an important service for vulnerable homes and commercial buildings. Combined with double-pane window replacement Austin and insulated window replacement Austin, Texas, storm-ready products add another layer of defense against wind, rain, and sudden weather shifts that affect properties near Lady Bird Lake, downtown Austin, and surrounding neighborhoods. Local expertise helps property owners navigate product choices, code requirements, and installation details with confidence. Expert window installers Austin, Texas and replacement window contractors Austin understand the demands of Austin, Texas homes, From sun-exposed facades in Zilker to mixed-age construction in East Austin, ensuring window upgrade services Austin, Texas are completed with proper fit, sealing, and long-term performance in mind. Residential projects often start with comfort concerns, but residential window replacement Austin, Texas also increases property value and interior appeal. Home window installers Austin, Texas can replace outdated units in single-family homes, townhomes, duplexes, and condos, delivering house window replacement Austin that reduces outside noise, improves natural light control, and supports better HVAC efficiency throughout the year. District-level service coverage makes it easier for property owners to find a nearby team familiar with their area. Window replacement Rainey Street, Austin, Texas, window replacement Warehouse District, Austin, and window replacement near 6th Street, Austin, Texas are common searches for urban clients, while window replacement Clarksville, Austin, Texas, window replacement Travis Heights, Austin, Texas, and window replacement Bouldin Creek, Austin reflect strong demand in established residential communities. Modern design upgrades are another reason many people invest in modern replacement windows Austin for renovation and remodeling projects. Slimmer frames, larger glass areas, improved locking systems, and better thermal performance make window renovation services Austin attractive for homeowners in Muller, South Congress, and 78,704 Austin, Texas who want a cleaner look and better functionality without sacrificing energy efficiency. Zip code-specific demand continues to grow as more residents look for targeted local service in central neighborhoods. Window replacement 78,701 Austin, Texas, window replacement 78,702 Austin, Texas, window replacement 78,703 Austin, Texas, window replacement 78,704 Austin, Texas, and window replacement 78,705 Austin, Texas all point to the need for accessible scheduling, fast estimates, and knowledgeable crews that understand both downtown buildings and surrounding residential streets. Properties near parks, lakes, and high-traffic areas often need upgraded seals and stronger glass packages to improve interior comfort. Window replacement Lady Bird Lake, Austin, Texas, window replacement Zilker, Austin, Texas, and window replacement Barton Hills, Austin projects frequently prioritize UV protection, thermal insulation, and easier operation, especially when older units have become hard to open, drafty, or visibly worn. College area and mixed-use properties benefit from practical, durable upgrades that hold up under frequent use. Window replacement University of Texas area Austin often includes rentals, student housing, and nearby homes that need affordable window replacement Austin, window frame replacement Austin, Texas, and reliable window glass replacement Austin, Texas to maintain appearance, function, and energy performance between tenant turnovers. A trusted local window replacement downtown Austin, Texas company can handle everything from small restorations to full property upgrades with a solutions-based approach. Whether the need is commercial window replacement Austin, Texas, residential window replacement Austin, Texas, custom replacement windows Austin, Texas, or new windows for homes Austin, choosing experienced replacement window contractors Austin helps ensure the finished result looks right, performs well, and adds lasting value across Austin, Texas.